Hey guys, what is up? It is your boy, Quick Minecraft Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to spectate in a brand new world on hardcore mode. So let me just type how to spectate spectate spooktati sponkltate. Sponkle. Yep, that's good. So what you're gonna want to do is gonna make sure you like and comment on this video, or else this won't work. You're gonna want to make sure you go to any type of world type. You're gonna generate structures. Turn that stuff off. Make sure that's all. But most importantly, this will not work unless you like and comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to. But let me just take this moment while we are loading the world. Just so you know that this trick will not work unless you like and comment on this video, guys. Come on, we are in this together. We are here. We are awesome. Let's all band together and like and comment on this video so this will work. I heard you wanted to spectate your Minecraft worlds. I'm gonna show you how to spectate your world. First, you're gonna log into your world. You're gonna let everything load. Make sure the frame rate's all good. Look at the beautiful sunset. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Oh gosh, look at that sunset. Then you're just gonna walk around. You're gonna try to figure out. But what you need to do before all this works is you need to jump into that water. What you need to do is you need to kill yourself as fast as possible. In Minecraft, of course, but remember, this will not work unless you like and comment on this video because you have to appease the algorithm. The algorithm will not work unless you like and comment on this video because this is connected to Minecraft emoji, and then it's put inside of your body so you can die inside of Minecraft. If you look, I'm getting closer to death. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh, look at that spectate world. Click on that bee. Look at that. You get to float around and go through any single object in the game. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my God, that's where I died. Oh, remember, this will not work unless you like and comment on this video. You get to hack into the ground. You get to no clip. You get to generate the worlds and see what's happening. Hear some bats. Do your thing. You gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta see creepers. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. This has been really tough. I haven't had a lot of time to make these videos, but if you like and comment this video, it'll appease the algorithm, and the CEO of Mojang will connect it to your account and make sure that this is available. Another cool trick that I found is that if you don't go too far, you can actually go outside of the limits of your world that has been built. See how I'm going outside? Oh my gosh, everything's disappearing. Thank you guys so much. Make sure this works. You gotta like and comment on this video. Peace out.